Hello everyone, very good evening to one and all watching this video about something really exciting rather than amazing. A content in front of you. This has been all Corona weeks and Corona news right now, but something new has come up in India. That's the gas leakage. Excitingly, it has not happened in Karnataka, but it has happened in a place of Andhra Pradesh, Visakhapatnam. A major gas company of LPG has accidentally released gas, and the major component being styrene. This gas is extremely flammable, and it's also a poisonous gas when you inhale for a long time. And the current update says there is 12 deaths which has happened, and more than 300 to 400 people being primary contacts and are being hospitalized, and there are a couple of secondary contacts with symptoms. People are still being isolated, still being taken out, excavated. Hope the condition recovers very soon. The major reason of me making this video right now is because of the great take which is taken by Honorable CM Jagan Mohan Reddy of Andhra Pradesh. Really hats off to you, man. Really hats off to the decision you have taken at this point of Corona, where the entire nation is worried about Corona. But due to a government negligence or the negligence of that particular industry, the 12 lives which have been costed till now are being compensated with 1 crore each, which is a huge amount. For a middle class or a person who is poor, it's definitely a huge amount, and it's going to lead something great for them, and I'm sure it will. As you know, a life can't be compensated with any money, but I think rather than the government of Karnataka, what money it releases when a person commits a suicide, when a farmer commits a suicide, or some problem happens to people in the surrounding because of government, it is much better than that. And I seriously applaud for what you have done, and I really hope leaders like you, young leaders like you, come up even in Karnataka and do some great things. I see one Tejasvi Surya, maybe in the coming future he might be a CM, but I hope he also learns from the takes what you have taken and make Karnataka a prosperous state. But one more happy thing what you have done is even for the primary contacts you have released and assured that you will be giving them 25,000 rupees other than bearing all their hospitalization expenses. That's again a very great take. That's a compensation what you are giving. And finally, even for the secondary contacts who have these minor symptoms and stuff like that, and people who are mentally distressed because of this incident, you are giving them 10,000 rupees as a compensation, which is a really great take during this time where their economy is falling. I think governments must take good takes like this, so that you gain the true faith of people, and young leaders like you are definitely required for this nation. Hope one day you rule the country and become the PM of India. Wish you all the best.